Good day, everyone. Before we start, we have to have a CFTC requirement. Today is 21 April, Friday, 2:42 p.m. Eastern Time, and we are connected to Rhythmic Ninja Trader Broker. For the last few years, we've been running the same time frame on the A scalper and a B scalper. What is the advantage on the A scalper and a B scalper and a C scalper? That does not require any optimization, forward testing, back testing, all this. For the last few years, we have found out traders 85% fail to optimize, or they don't know how to optimize, or they don't understand how this market works. Beside all the technical problems sometimes you get when you are optimization, sometimes it does not really works the way a trader wanted to be done. So as an example, an A scalper and a B scalper and a C scalper is a turn on off mood only. There is no optimization, no tweaking with the chart, no different time frame. Is a very straightforward. When we do the installation, you get the same numbers, you get the same charts, you get the same time frame, and it is turn on and a turn off. For today, as an example, we can see the B scalper was struggling a little bit on the YM, but it is nothing. You can see the performance on that auto trade on the same time frame, all the way down on the B scalper 150 ticks, all the way down to the 30-year treasury bond. And that it is not bad at all, a little struggling on the YM, and that is totally acceptable. Also, this is the funny story, is the YM is the same problem as struggling on the B scalper. The B scalper is a total different auto trade, approach the market differently than the A scalper, where the B scalper is reversing the market, where the A scalper is trading with the trend. And that it is a very good advantage to have the A scalper is trading with a trend, the B scalper reversing the market, and the C scalper is based on a price line. And there are three beautiful auto trades where you can use them for a different timing or for a different market, and all of them you don't need to optimize, which it is a very advantage for a trader not to sit for 6 months trying to learn how to optimize and backtesting and staying in the circle and going in the circle. Right now, traders looking for something very easy. On the 30-year treasury bond today on the A scalper, we did very well, but still also you notice the YM on the A scalper is struggling, and it did very well on the 150 ticks, but on the 1 minute, the YM is struggling all the way through the charts here from the B scalper all the way to the except the 150 ticks did very well, and it was a little bit brutal on the YM on the B scalper. We show you what makes money today, what didn't make money, and that is sometimes you will have one of the markets is refusing to give money, and that has nothing to do with your auto trade. This is something sometimes the shape of that chart or the type of entry you are using is not working very well that day with your trading, and that it can happen on the CL 30-year treasury bond and ES. So this is a really straightforward. We install the same way, the way we have it here. You don't have to optimize, you don't have to back test, and you don't have to forward test it. It's just on and off. And that's the beauty about it. The most important, what we are showing here is not like the ES 1 minute, tomorrow ticks, and the day after tomorrow Renko. So here is the question, which chart this trader has to use? Renko, minutes, ticks, that is not going to work. So when we are putting this for the customers, we are giving him the 1 minute as a conservative trader, and 150 ticks as an aggressive trader, and you can choose. Now we have some traders, they can tweak it and they are trading the 3 range. We have some traders are trading the 7 range, but they know what they were doing. We have some traders are using 233 ticks. That's very fine. But for a guy don't know the ninja trader or don't know how to tweak an auto trade, he can stay on the same time frame, and the same time frame we've been using that for many years, and no one can do that. And one of the things is, once we see on any auto trade can survive in 1 minute, then can survive on all time frame. That's why most of the auto traders, they refuse to show you the 1 minute, because the 1 minute prevail shows the reality of that auto trade, and that's why most 90% of the auto trades, they refuge to Renko bars, line breaks, takes high time frame, high stop loss, because they cannot survive the 1 minute. If the auto trade cannot survive 1 minute, it's not gonna survive on any type of time frame, and that is the end of that story. If you have any auto trade you have right now on your computer, try to run it and try to optimize, or try to run your auto trade on 1 minute, and you will see 90% of those auto trades fell on the 1 minute. Once they fell on the 1 minute, that means they're not reliable to take him anywhere, that auto trade. Let's look at the swing trading today.